The MONACO natural gas pipeline is under construction in Germany, and DENSO is delivering tapes and wrapping machines to protect the welded seams from corrosion over a 40-kilometer construction section. The pipeline has a nominal width of up to 48 inches. The DENSOLEN tapes are wrapped around the pipe, either manually or using DENSOMAT wrapping machines in order to protect 3,000 welded seams. The DENSOMATs are highly versatile and offer the right solution for every challenge.
We have
a very challenging project here due to the varying terrain. We are mostly operating on flat, level terrain, but we also have to deal with steep slopes. We have to go underneath rivers and railway lines, and we have around 22 road crossings that we need to route the pipeline underneath. All in all, it's a huge challenge.
In Summe ist schon eine große Herausforderung.
For our construction phase, the DENSO delivery scope comprises tape systems to cover between 2,500 and 3,000 welded seams, as well as various repair systems. We use DENSOMAT wrapping machines due to their quality and productivity. The machines ensure consistent winding quality and overlapping under constant tension. Yes, it is simply faster. DENSOMAT and DENSOLEN. Protection for eternity.